Hello, my name is Maham and I will teach you about air pollution. First comes the pollution. So, pollution is the contamination of any of the environmental domains, air, soil, water, by the pollutants either primary or secondary that causes serious effects on human, plant, animal health or any biological organisms. Next, is air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of harmful elements or pollutants into the environment. These pollutants may be chemicals, particulate matter or biological molecules. Air pollution depends on the type of air pollutants, either primary or secondary. Primary air pollutants enter the atmosphere directly and are caused by either natural or human activities, for example greenhouse gases, coals, fossil fuels and VOCs. Secondary air pollutants are created by the reactions of primary pollutants with the chemicals already existing in the air. For example ozone, which is created by a reaction of nitrogen oxide with the sunlight. Another example of secondary pollutant includes smog that forms from the reaction of sunlight with car exhausts and pose a major health risk. Causes of air pollution includes burning of fossil fuels, industrial emissions, natural fires, vehicular exhausts, solid waste disposal, construction and demolition, burning in brick kilns, mining activities, etc. The major effects of air pollution includes heart and respiratory diseases in humans, while children are at a risk of contracting pneumonia and asthma. Due to emission of greenhouse gases, there is an imbalance in the composition of air that causes global warming, a major climatic concern. The burning of fossil fuels results in oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, and when water reacts with them it becomes acidic and the result is in the form of acid rain. The release of CFCs, HCFCs and halons cause depletion of ozone layer, which in return does not prevent UV rays from the sun and causes skin and eye problem among the individuals. The air pollutants suspend in the water bodies and affect the aquatic life. Pollution also compels the animals to leave their habitat and shift to a new place, which renders them astray. That has led to extinction of many species around the world. Following are the measures one should adopt to control the air pollution. People should avoid using vehicles for shorter distances. Rather, they should use public transport more frequently. A lot of fossil fuels are burned to generate electricity. Therefore, do not forget to switch off the electrical appliances when not in use. The use of solar, wind and geothermal energies reduce the air pollution to a very large extent. Many countries have implemented the use of these resources as a step towards cleaner environment. Air pollution may be controlled by minimizing burning activities, especially burning of solid waste. Fuel substitution is another way of reducing the air pollution, for example replacing diesel and petrol by CNG. The last and the best way of reducing pollution is tree plantation. Plants and trees reduce a large number of pollutants. So, a person should avoid deforestation and tree cutting in order to preserve a better environment.